Speaker, I have a statement on the disparities of bonus rates paid to tea farmers in the country. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 52.1 to make a statement on a matter of countrywide concern, namely the disparities in bonuses paid to tea farmers in Kisii and Nyamira counties. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Kenya Tea Development Agency, that's KTDA, recently released the bonus rates for the financial year 2024-2025, while farmers in certain regions, notably Mount Kenya, have received substantial bonuses averaging about Kenya shillings 50 per kilo. Farmers in Kisii and Nyamira counties are reeling from much lower rates, in some cases as low as Kenya shillings 12 per kilo. This glaring disparity has not only caused deep frustration, but also triggered anger among farmers who feel shortchanged and discriminated despite producing tea that is sold in the same international markets. Mr. Speaker, sir, the situation has escalated to a point where enraged farmers in Kisii and Nyamira have begun destroying tea collection centers in protest and disillusionment, believing their sweat and toil is not being fairly rewarded. The bonus discrepancies have also reignited questions about the transparency of KTDA's pricing and distribution systems and whether smallholder farmers in certain regions are being systematically disadvantaged. Mr. Speaker, sir, tea remains one of Kenya's leading foreign exchange earners, and it is the livelihood for millions of families across the country. The growing sense of inequity, however, risks destabilizing this critical sector if urgent interventions are not put in place. I therefore call upon the government, in collaboration with KTDA and relevant stakeholders, to urgently review the disparities and take decisive measures to restore fairness, equity, and the confidence of farmers in Kisii, Nyamira, and all other affected regions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Unfortunately, I was very limited because this statement doesn't allow comments, but I feel this matter has not been given the necessary attention it requires, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.